So now I've several questions from Swamiji, but you have, Swamiji, only 6 minutes in which you have to cover three questions for me. One question is you can skip whichever one you want to skip. Okay, the bolus insulin. The second question is the family support. The third is the group therapy. But there's also a very good request from somebody. If you can just share some asanas, yoga, and pranayama with us for 5 minutes. And before I give up, there's one more question that just come in. Does mental stress during pregnancy in case of diabetic woman cause type 1 diabetes for her baby? The answer is no. Very good. So you can take in whichever order you want to take. It's all yours now, and you got 5 minutes to do the whole yoga, pranayama, dhyana, and change our lives.
Thank you very much. Herculean task, but it is possible. Abhi nahi to kabhi nahi. If it is possible now. Otherwise, never it's going to happen. So those who are all attending as panelists, dignitaries, and audience, I request everybody. Yes, yoga should be way of life. योगा हमारा जीवन पद्धति होना चाहिए. कहाँ से? जहाँ हम सोते हैं वहाँ से लेके सुबह उठने तक. Early to bed, early to rise. Have a proper dinacharya. So what does that mean? If you follow this, your body and mind is at equilibrium. If you take proper rest in the night, you will be able to work throughout the day happily, joyfully. Your body and mind, if it is at equilibrium, no stress, you have got very less chance of getting disease. Your body and mind, if it is in ease form, you will not get disease. So it's as simple as that. So if you have a proper routine, then right kind of eating, right kind of living. What is all that is good food, as we have learned through various panelists? Fresh fruits and vegetables should be taken in abundance. And the cooked food, whatever we are eating, it should be out of unprocessed cereals. Again, the cereals, whatever I eat, also should contain sufficient amount of cooked vegetables. So, right way of eating and right kind of eating. Now coming to right kind of living. Yes, I should always try to understand the purpose of life. If I can be happy, people around me can be happy, then we can build a happy world. If you have this concept, if you train our mind, intellect in this direction, you will become better person. If your body and mind is nice, you will have less chances of getting any disease. Now coming to basal bolus concept in India. Yes, it is very much possible. We have taught to the illiterate, the poorest of the poorest children and parents how to take basal bolus concept, insulin. For treating type 1 diabetes, to keep their blood sugars normal, to make them happy, to keep them healthy, basal bolus concept to separate insulin is a must. The children and family should be taught to how to do measure their blood sugars, maintain a proper blood sugar charting. It is very much possible. And role of parents and support group meeting is a must. If you ask me, if you want to have a healthy children and family, the parents and the support group meeting is a must. DSME, Diabetes Self-Management Education, along with yoga can make them extraordinary children. What are few yogasana everybody should practice? Surya Namaskara, we call it as king of asanas. Before we practice Surya Namaskara, we should practice some free hand exercise, Sukshma Vyayam, so that all the joints will get relaxed. So free hand exercise, Sukshma Vyayamas, Surya Namaskaras, and as rightly mentioned by our speakers, the internal organs, if they are functioning properly, we have less chances of developing metabolic disorders. So to take care of the internal organs, we should do proper asana and pranayama. So asanas already we have mentioned: Matsyendrasana, Mayurasana, Vakrasana, Ustrasana, Mandukasana, Shashakasana. So that will mainly act on the internal organs which are in the abdomen. So after doing these asanas, few pranayamas. One is Anulom Vilom. This will help to relieve everybody from the stress, including health workers to the patients. Then comes our Ujjayi Pranayama for all thyroid disorders. Hold your throat tightly and breathe in. So, Ujjayi Pranayama. Bhastrika for proper breathing, proper oxygen supply through lungs. Bhastrika. Then Kapalbhati. Tuck in your stomach. Then Omkara. And just focus on your breathing. Relax, forget everything that is outside. Go in and focus yourself on the breathing, inhalation, exhalation. So if all of us can practice at least 10 minutes daily, I'm sure we will all get immense benefits, and the type 1 diabetic children at Haridwar are the living example for that. Thank you one and all. Namaskar.